today let's make a simple chicken sukha recipe. Let's marinate the chicken with some basic spices like curry leaves, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, salt, pepper powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, fried onions. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes or overnight would be great. Now in a kadai, add in some cumin seeds, bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and mix it very well till the raw smell goes and the flavor is infused. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Now add little chopped tomatoes and salt. Please note you have added salt while marinating the chicken, so please be careful while adding the salt. Once the tomatoes turns mushy, add in the marinated chicken and mix the chicken really very well. One more thing what you need to keep in mind is do not add any kind of extra water. The chicken oozes out its own water. So mix the chicken really very well and let the chicken cook by itself in its own water. So cover it with the lid for at least 5 minutes till the chicken cooks, and then after 5 minutes, see, you can see the water is oozed out. Now let's add in some more fried chicken and mix the chicken really very well. One main thing for this chicken recipe is a special tadka which we are going to make, because this chicken's flavor will get infused or it will get taken to a different level itself. Now let's make our special tadka. In a kadai, add in oil and add lots of curry leaves and green chilies and mix it till the curry leaves and the green chilies are crispy, and pour it to the chicken and then garnish it with some coriander leaves. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow. As I'll always say, enjoy your